Okay, so last time we managed to unseize the crank, however the mechanism, kickstart mechanism, still not budging at all. So put this on the bike on its side, or what's left of it, so we can take off this cover and see what's going on. Alright, okay, we think we fixed it. There we go. Hopefully that's the right way. Really hope that's the right way. We're going to put it back on, see if everything's okay.
Okay.
Cool. Very nice.
Right.
That's the frame taken down all the way. And then we have a lovely box of Honda QR50 parts. So under here is the engine, and next episode, next part, whatever, we will tear all of this down, hopefully split the cases. Can't promise it because I'm not sure if we can, but definitely start looking at things. We're going to leave this for now. I've got all the bolts up there, they're all safe in their right position. But yeah, should be good. That means the bike is completely teared down. We can start cleaning everything, getting the engine all sorted, putting a new piston in there, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, so working really quickly through this project, which is nice. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.